Hey Brianna, what do we got in the Doopy workshop today?
We are making a motorized maze.
A motorized maze. Let's have a look at that. What that's going to look like. That looks pretty fun, huh?
Yep.
Let's get started. We just completed the stand assembly. Brianna, can you walk me through what we did here?
So, this is the battery.
Mm-hmm.
And there were wires.
Yep.
So we put those through this hole.
And what else do we got back there?
And then we have the motor.
The motor.
Which
Okay.
we put those wires in there.
Okay.
And then
what's on the front?
And then we have the wheel.
The wheel. Okay, so we've got the three basic components of the stand put together, and now we're going to start on the controller.
Yep.
So we just completed the basic controller assembly, and Brianna, can you show us how it works?
So if you press this one, this will go counterclockwise. And if you press this one, it'll go clockwise.
Cool. All right, on to final assembly.
Yep.
We've completed our motorized maze. What do you think, Brianna?
I think it's great.
Okay, you want to show them how it works?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So this is the marble here.
Show me the marble. Can you point to the marble? There it is. Okay, and the goal is to do what?
Get it all the way to in here.
All the way in the middle of the maze. Okay, you want to see if you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Getting close. And there it is. Got it to the middle. What do you think, Brianna? Cool project?
Uh-huh.
All right, give me a thumbs up.